Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'm going to show you how to retain leading zeros in Excel, which is useful for telephone numbers, account numbers, or any values that start with 0. Step 1. Stop Excel from removing leading zeros permanently. Excel 365. Go to File, and then Options at the bottom left of your screen. Select Data from the menu. In the Automatic Data Conversion section, find Remove Leading Zeros and Convert to a Number. Untick this option and click OK. Excel will now keep leading zeros when you type them. You may see a small warning triangle in the top left of the cell. To remove it, click the cell, click the orange warning triangle, and choose Ignore Error. Step 2. Prefix with an apostrophe, any Excel version. Type an apostrophe before your number. E 01234567889. Press Enter. Excel stores it as a text value, keeping the leading zero. You'll notice it aligns to the left of the cell, confirming it's text. Step 3. Format cells as text before entering numbers. Select the cells where you'll enter numbers. Right-click, choose Format Cells, and select Text. Enter your numbers with the leading zeros. No apostrophe needed. Excel keeps the leading zeros. To remove the green triangles, select the cells, click the yellow warning triangle, and choose Ignore Error. And that's it. 3 simple ways to keep your leading zeros in Excel, whether you're using Excel 365 or an older version. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.